So hi friends, this is I'm showing you the solar lights. There is a 3-pair solar light is recharged or charged by solar light and give some flowers and butterfly style lights in your front or backyard. So you can see there are 3 pairs of different designs and 3 stands that you can put in your garden. This is the manual how to use and fix it. But it is pretty much straightforward that you can use. So these are the stand. You can see the quality. This is like the metal on the top and then the plastic knob inside, which will go in your yard or the soil. This is the plant. This is all plastic. This is the solar panel. There is a protective plastic on it. Just remove it. This is on and off button on the back that you need to do it at on and put this in here and then dig it in the ground. This is as simple as that, but you have to be reminded that you need to remove that plastic from the top, and then it should be faced to the sunlight and or direct sunlight so that it can be charged. So these flowers are of plastic, and then you can see some lights here when I keep the on, but of course it needs the solar charge to do it properly. And then to some design, there is a butterfly like this on the top with the light, so I think the effect will be good. I am going to put this in my yard in the back and then see how it will get charged and the light effects. This is the waterproof claimed by the company, so this should be no effect when it is in the water or the rain. The flower look pretty, the design looks pretty, and I think it should work good. These are the other designs with the red one and one with the blue one. So this is with the blue one. So as you have seen different colors, and this is the blue one with the butterfly, and so it's all same and simple to use. Here I will show like it looks like in the yard. So I put one in the yard with the butterfly one in the sun directly so that it will use. Show you the effect in the night. You can see the different colors effect.